have a special treat for you as we battle against the CEO of GJS Robot, Jason himself.
You ready?
All right, we're taking on the CEO of GJS Robot, Jason.
You ready?
Yeah, of course. Okay.
CEO of GJS. He wants a rematch, I know it.
The next guy, you know. Just knocked out Jason himself. Really great sport, and actually it was a really exciting match. I mean, his arm fell off, his head fell off, And yeah, it was actually a blast. I mean, he calls himself the robot creator and I'm the robot fighter. So together we make a great team. Now, big special thanks to GJS as well as WCG for having us out here today, as well as this whole entire week. The hospitality with China has been amazing and everybody has been phenomenal with us. So we had great opportunities here, from a press conference to a commercial, even being broadcasted on Korean news. So I'm really excited to see what this turns out and what it can happen in terms of the results of KhanFlicks itself. So with that being said, thank you again for watching, and thank you once again for China as well as WCG and GJS Robot. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.